Malaysian Chinese are Malaysians of Chinese ancestry. They are the descendants of southern Chinese immigrants who arrived in Malaysia between the early 19th century and the mid-20th century. Most Malaysian Chinese have maintained their Chinese heritage, including their diverse mother tongues. Besides, Malaysian Chinese still maintain the traditional culture that they brought from China. Burning joss paper craft is one of the Chinese traditional cultures. Joss paper crafts, also known as incense papers, are paper crafts or sheets of paper made into burnt offerings common in Chinese ancestral worship, such as the veneration of deceased family members and relatives on holidays and special occasions. Worship of deities in Chinese folk religion also uses a similar type of joss paper. In various Asian funerals, joss paper crafts are also burned or buried to ensure that the deceased spirit has adequate needs in the afterlife. For a better understanding of joss paper crafts, we visited the 358 Custom Effigies workshop in Penang. Mr. Go, the son of the owner of 358 Custom Effigies workshop, has been doing joss paper craft for heritage, traditional handcraft, and to assist his father. Based on his understanding, burning the paper craft is to replace the ancient rituals of dedication, which involve killing animals or burning people alive for the worship of the gods and an accompanying funeral. Joss paper craft can be made of various papers. They usually use coarse bamboo papers and foil papers. Joss paper craft may be decorated by different design of paper, as well as various pattern of stickers. The Hungry Ghost Festival is around the corner. The workshop is now taking orders from the temple to make a ship that carries the dead. Besides, they have already done 4 statues of God for the King of Ghosts, also known to Buddhists as Lord of the Flaming Face or King of Krita, where Krita means hungry ghost in Sanskrit. The first step of making joss paper craft is to choose suitable bamboo. The older bamboo is tough with low elasticity, which is suitable for large geometrical craft frames, while the fresh bamboo has high elasticity, which is suitable for bending. After selecting bamboo, split the whole into strips and start to make the frame. Next, draw the shape and cut out of the materials and gently paste it on the craft frame. That's it. What an amazing final outcomes. Joss paper craft is a culture of Chinese society in which they believe that the life of the dead exists. It is a phenomenon in which Chinese people demonstrate their love and thoughtfulness by repaying and giving things to the dead in the afterlife. In other words, it is the way of the Chinese to mourn those who have passed away as if they have never gone.